Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
State President ke National People's Party but MP ke Raja Sabha, Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi, uloong bagi Jingkynnoh Bamsap, persya ya ke sorkar MDA hakini ki sansnem baladep, kilong tang ki Buit Politik wan Pynsaphriang ki Jingtip Bakla. Ya kini Dr. Kharlukhi ulakren, bat kila patai kubor, hakas ni tok diem halor ke Jingkynnoh Bamsap ke sorkar MDA. Uloong ru bamau, ulong uway ni ki persya bahaya ke Bamsap, hanay lada don kinu ki Jingkynnoh, de benda pensisha, bat utau basyak kenno, de bensyak pencitom kat kum kaan.
I'm very clear in my every press report I have given that this is nothing but a mischievous political propaganda. Well, I used to say that I myself also, I'm against corruption. But if you have, why don't you substantiate? And the person concerned, then he should be booked. So I do expect that people who raise this issue, they have the chance to be in the legislative. They can bring the evidence there. They can find out themselves the evidence. A legislator can do that role also, not only the press. They can do that role. RTI is there. And come out and then we will see. But this is nothing, it's just a mischievous propaganda. And, you know, I don't know why our alliance partner also, like last time, they succumbed to this. But actually, to me, the people had voted again for MDA. You see, that big margin is MDA. It is not that, you know, for political purpose to say that no, people voted against NPP and all this. We have an MDA government. People again had give their verdict on the MDA government. That's why, in spite of anything, we are going back to our own allies.
Habak daw bagi patba kila vote biang nakabenta ke MDA Dr. Kharlukhi ulaong. Ngidan niya ke sorkar MDA bat ki patba sa sisien kila ay karay ha ke MDA. Namar kata wat hapdeng jong shibun ki AKA ngila yo ban yate lok biang bat ki seng jongi. Halor ki jingkmi lenti jong uya kani ke sorkar bathamai po ke jingelam ke NPP utay unong elam ke seng udan ke jingkermen bakani ke sorkar kanwan rai ki program baper nakabenta ki samla khamtam ha kalyang ke seng kam seng jam kam jungok kai nalor kiwe. Ulaong ru bala kumnu hakini kisan sinem banwan ukwa banyu iya ke jingshem kya da kabawan ra kilat kilenti bathamai haba phai shi jingker do kam jung ki samla naba ki don shibun ki AKA bala ban le hapo ke jela. Shu la ban rap baka kinhuan menteri bathamai jong ka sorkar MDA ka baar kalong ka batbet baru khmi lenti bakan tre kam bha bat shakri hok yo patba ke jela.
Well, my expectation is that again they should take up especially the program among the youth, like what we start up business and all this, and especially tourism and others, which I just came out from a program of about that branch of the Prime Minister, in which I was very impressed by one of the entrepreneur who was given his thing of how they start up their business and all this. So we should see that somehow or the other in these 5 years, to try and see that at least, you know, especially to sort out this unemployment, that we have to go into new ventures and new avenues, because there are lots of scopes in our state. So this is what I feel I would like the government to. Kini menteri pemerintahan ngepek ni, they are quite qualified. Dengan community, but they will be performing well.